Are you looking for the best ring lights? In this video, we will look at some of the top ring lights on the market. At number 1, we have the UBeesize 8-inch selfie ring light with tripod stand and cell. Dimensions of this product are 2.56 by 11.42 by 16.93 inches and it weighs 2.6 pounds. This dimmable ring light features 3 color lighting modes: warm light 3000K, cool white 4500K, and daylight 6000K. Each style comes with 11 brightness levels, providing you with 33 options in total to cover all your needs. The upgraded tripod will not start collapsing over time. The new design adopts quick flip locks and weighted tripod base for increased stability, made of high-quality aluminum. It can extend from 17.5 inches to 51 inches and be adjusted to any length between to match your needs. You can easily adjust the phone holder to any angle. It's spring-loaded, extendable up to 3.6 inches wide, and compatible with most of the smartphones. The UBeesize ring works with most devices that support USB ports. At number 2, we have the newer 18-inch SMD LED ring light dimmable lighting kit. Dimensions of this product are 29 by 23.3 by 4 inches and it weighs 10 pounds. The dimmable 18 inches ring light comes with 240 LED bulbs in a wide dimming range from 1% to 100%. A unique SMD design makes it lightweight and portable. Adjustable height ranges from 36.2 inches to 78.7 inches. The stand is made of aluminum alloy and equipped with 1/4 inch screw thread on the top. A stable tripod design and reliable locking system keep all your stuff in safe. White and orange color filters are included for changing shooting effects. The ring features a 360-degree rotatable smartphone holder for rotating your phone into portrait mode or landscape mode freely. The package contains 1 LED ring light, 1 light stand, 4 white filters, 4 orange filters, 1 rotatable smartphone holder, 1 hot shoe adapter, 1 power adapter, and a US plug. At number 3, we have the Apto-U 12-inch LED selfie ring light with tripod stand and cell phone holder. Dimensions of this product are 12.8 by 12.3 by 4.7 inches and it weighs 2.55 pounds. This dimmable ring light comes with 162 LED lamp beads for long life. It offers 4 different color lighting modes, each with 10 adjustable brightness options. All controls are placed on the cord. The 3-way pan head features a convenient handle for effortless tilting and swiveling to portrait or landscape. Its upgraded tripod stand is extendable from 16.5 inches to 51 inches with legs unfolding up to 30 inches wide. The tripod stand can be detached and used as a selfie stick and phone tripod. This selfie ring light is compatible with most smartphones with a width between 2.3 to 3.6 inches. An extra rubber blanket is included to protect the phone from any scratching. The box includes a ring light, a selfie tripod, a phone clip, a phone holder, and a remote shutter. At number 4, we have the Pout 10-inch selfie ring light with tripod stand and phone holder. Dimensions of this product are 17.5 by 12 by 2.01 inches and it weighs 2 pounds. The Pout upgraded 10-inch ring light utilizes the latest technology to emit more soft light with 3 colors lighting modes, each with 10 adjustable brightness levels. It comes with 120 LED bulbs. This LED ring light is equipped with a lock catch, foldable tripod stand, extendable from 17.5 inches to 50 inches. The tripod stand can also be used as a separate selfie stick and phone tripod. The 360-degree rotate cell phone holder features a wireless Bluetooth remote control. Its width ranges up to 3.6 inches to be compatible with most smartphones. Reinforced non-slip rubber backing clip holds your phone without scratching it. The ring is USB powered with no battery needed. The package includes 10-inch ring light with a tripod stand and a phone holder, 1 phone clip, 1 remote shutter, a long screw, and a sports camera adapter. At number 5, we have the Mactrim 14 colors RGB ring light with 2 adjustable tripod stand. Dimensions of this product are 17.36 by 9.45 by 3.58 inches and it weighs 2.82 pounds. This ring is equipped with 92 PCS LEDs to provide you with lots of hues to choose from. It offers a wide dimming range from 1 to 10 levels brightness in each color with 33 options in total. You can adjust the brightness levels, create shadows, and get a perfect effect. The big tripod is extendable from 16 inches to 50 inches, tall enough for standing on the ground. The mini octopus tripod is short enough to stand on the tabletop. Both are foldable, quick to set up, and equipped with the standard 1/4 inch mounting screw. The handle allows you to rotate the light 180 degrees vertically or 360 degrees horizontally. The phone holder is compatible with most of the smartphones in the market. So that sums up the top ring lights. We hope you enjoyed.